Ibo All India Radio le in ka satang iran setan trashine nasul sanazat ladak ujung ngazdena COVID-19 inatpa argelkan guni transka hishak pajak argesin jiktanok le irzongna COVID-19 inatpa argichuki abdun tang kargil zongna natpa argupchu koshing martos malusanok Shrijin Ramnath Kovinis Gyagarbo Nangpa Sanges Pestanba Gozuk Chakani Saji Inkan Beka Gyagarpa Gun Spalngam Chan Ansorin Inomalto Yang Shilon Narendra Modis Jixten Nanga Sulta Kazuk Shik Jungnang Sanges Sung Zamo Gun Gyute Stanji Cheni Seltas Ping Tupches Yotenomalto Kasata Nasulkuni Jipsal Zate Sanazat Ler zongne during COVID-19 natpa argutang kargil zongne natpa jipchu gelches tangyampo ta ladak ujung ngazdena aldoms COVID-19 natpa arkian ardunchu tonkiat martos malusano khamsde laskunse media bulletin nanga shatkan nangjin taksa ler zongna COVID-19 natpa argechu kyabdun tang kargil zongna natpa argupchu kokshik martos malusano yang natpa sangme khamsde na lux ojok demo etenok choks janjigne le CMO laskunsla dang simple chui drubdas lepstenok yang tenangne minda sumi simple nanga coronavirus Nadbu Jartelkan Bingstenok, Tenasogla Kargili CMO Laskunsla, Dang Simple Argui Dubdas Lepstenok, Tenangne, Minda Chik Positive, Sum Negative Tang, Minda Shne Sempala, Gomane, Starchat Acho Washizotenok. Inatula during Ler Zongne Minda Jipchu Jaruptang Kargil Erzongne Minda Trukchu Raksum Tete, Uldoms Minda Argan Argui Simple Gun Chandigala, Tachatifia Kaltenok, Chops Janjigne, Kalatse Check Postika, Bespa, Trukchu Rabji Tang, Motors Kolo Shulkan Tang, Rochet Par Ganang Arguchu Kognisla, Screening Tang, Motors Kolo Gun Sanitize Chostenok, Tenasogla Upshi Check Postika, Uldoms Bespa Arguchu Koksuma Screening Tang, Motors Kolo Gun Sanitize Chostenok. Gagarinanga Daksatsupa COVID-19 natpa boom sum stong Arguchu Kobji Tang, Nibgia Nishur Sabdun Smash Rating Nirgaltenok, Butkani Chusut Nishur Sabji Nangloga, Yulikak Sosone, Eldoms Minda, Stong Chubji Tang Sumgia Sumchu Songar Gelches Tangyampo, Ta Yul Gangpenanga, Natpa Gelkan Guni Transka, Getokne, Tukchu Rakshik Tang Chuzur Get Chiksupa Leptenok. Sojungi Kamze Tang Nangsans Pande Lonkun Sishat Kan Nangjin, Butkani Chusut Nishur Sabji Nangloga, Gagare Kak Sosenanga, Eldoms Minda, Stong Nishur Saknis Tang Dungia Dunchutonchiga, Coronavirus Nadbu Jartilkan in Mortak Chachis Tangyampo, Ta Yul Gangpenanga, COVID-19 in Nadbu Jarkan Guni Transka, Boom Truk Stong Jipchu Jabgyatang, Sumgia Chonga Supa Leptenok. Choks Janjigne, Jakma Chiginanga, Minda Jibgia Jipchu Jaknis Tongshis Tangyampo, Ta Yul Gangpenanga, I Jarna de Jaste, Minda Stong Chobgyatang Tugia Shngapchunga, Tronsartenok. Gagari Kak Sosenanga, COVID-19 in Nadiam Jak Pajak Argesin Yotkan Boa, Zixte, Rigelka Kachiginanga, Yansker Lockdown in Captors Zanjiktanok, Arunachal Pardish Ergelka Gananga, July de Says Trukne Parla, Ardunjak Chigi, Fia Ergelka Gangpenanga, Lockdown in Captors Chostenok, Tenatsokla Odishe Erzong Chubduninanga, Dringtang Torres Jak Nisifia, Lockdown Zate, Dictims Gun Tampong Yampo, Laglenanga, Kionjiktanok, Inazokla Kolkatenanga, Torres Ne Parla, Ergelka Gangpenanga, Alza Nima Rimsis, Lockdown Chatsang Zachisi, Tachat Lenteno, Yang Mizoraminanga, Lockdown ni Dictims Gun Yang Scare Sketchesi, Tachat Lenteno. Inatula COVID-19 in Nadiam Irgesin Yut Kanbos Namana Borte, Sojungi Chofne Medical Tang Engineering Entrance Ergus Kunla Jagyang Tanstenok, Sojungi Mirik Tunken Yergesis Korilonpo, Ramesh Pogrial Neshangis Chetkan Nangshin, Lobtu Guni Shungskop Tang Yontan Lobjong Namana Borte, I Tachatpo Lenteno, Sojungi Lonpo Chetkan Nangshin Ta JEE Ergus Kun September Ilze Ses Chigne, Truki Parla Chachesinok Yang Needy Ergus Kun September Ilde Ses Chuksumi Jaka Borte Tenok. Is Nasulgun Nijang Hangezla All India Radio Lene Sanchezla Pulinjiknan
Ladakh Spagun Zamlingi Yultu Kaushiga Juxte Yotnang Ladakh Skadinanga All India Radio Legute Ladakh Nasulgun Asan Tupches Yot
Ladakh Skadinanga Natsul Tuji Shnatok Nimetus Pitok Tang Chanla Sanchezla Pulinjiyot
Kaltes Ngejarang Gunis Nasul Ashkyangda Sanchez La Pulkan Gun San Matupna News on AIR ka online tang social media platform Facebook Twitter tang YouTube ka namjiktu stopnang San Tupjes Yotenok
Ladakh Nazu Gunis Kolla Thugyuza Dodiot Kan Gunis All India Radio Le News YouTube subscribe zat
Shrijin Ramnath Kovini Shetkan Nangjin Gyagarbo Nangpa Sanges Pistanba Gozuk Chakani Saji Inkan Beka Gyagar Pagun Spalngam Chan Sorin Inok Maltok During Irgyalta New Delhi Shrijin Juktanka Sojung Isheri Giskoril Hongkongstang International Buddhist Confederation Ingiski Zungdela Ashar Purnime Skaps Sanges Chomdan Dasi Choskor Tangpos Korve Zatpa Tangrelte Zatgue Gozuk Stendel Zadinjik Shrijin Ramnath Kovinis Sanges Shakatuba Sanges Tirstingne Tangporang Gelong Shnaze Zangpo Choskor Tangpos Korkan Tang Sanges Chomdan Dasi Tanazati Yutkan Lam Zamogun Semet Jive Lamtang Sangesi Sung Zamogun Sngoni Lo Stong Nistang Habgia Lakzamne Parla Tarkyap Chen Yutkan Iskorla Shadazat.
The Dhamma Chakra, the wheel of truth, was set in motion ever since it has been the lodestar, helping spiritual seekers navigate through the maze of worldly life and arrive at the end of suffering here and now. It is so scientific that it resembles psychotherapy more than a traditional dogmatic religion. It is this open attitude of inquiry into the heart of existence and the possibility of finding the key to eternal serenity that has attracted seekers in every age for the last 2500 years. The wheel has come full circle and the word of Dhamma has in the recent decades spread to distant source in the West too. Ironically, the Buddha's teaching was against the current during those times. But the force of his argument was women around love, compassion and non-violence. The spread of Buddhism around the world was guided by these eternal values. In his lifetime, he always sought to convince people through his logical and moral arguments.
Inna Zadgwe Skap Strilon Narendra Modi Sungshat Sanjik Dangdringa Jixten Gangpenanga Solta Chenmojigir Donglen Echo Gosinjik Tanok Yang Itsoxit Solta Chenmo Guntang Zdungal Kun Stawane Metkan Chuches Tang Tartugir Dewa Topchesla Sanges Shekatu Be Sung Zamo Guntanazat.
Lord Buddha's teaching of Appa Deepo Bhavaha, be your own guiding light, is a wonderful management lesson. Friends, today the world fights extraordinary challenges. To these challenges, lasting solutions can come from the ideals of Lord Buddha. Lord Buddha's teaching of Appa Deepo Bhavaha, be your own guiding light, is a wonderful management lesson. Friends, today the world fights extraordinary challenges. To these challenges, lasting solutions can come from the ideals of Lord Buddha.
Inatuzla Shrilonis, Paxpe Lam Yanlak Riget Iskola, Trostuga Zadenjik, Sanges, Chomdan Dasi Sunga Zati Yutkan Lam Zamogun, Rigetak Nishur Sakshikpe to Zapsina, Ma Kakchan Gustetkan Iskola Shadazats.
I'm very hopeful about the 21st century. This hope comes from my young friends, our youth. If you want to see a great example of how hope, innovation and compassion can remove suffering, it is our startup sector led by our youth. Bright young minds are finding solutions to global problems. India has one of the largest startup ecosystems. I would urge my young friends to also stay connected with the thoughts of Lord Buddha. They will motivate and show the way ahead. The eightfold path of Lord Buddha shows the way towards the well-being of many societies and nations. It highlights the importance of compassion and kindness.
Galion Sorik Egyptiot Otsorde Le Amchigunis Dejik Julal de Ses Truknet Ses Chugni Supa Kamde Egyptiotan Delte Dunjak Achigi Singela Loktang Yakore Gamilkuni Ziskor the Chisinok Travel Healthcare Research Program in Nangloga Senior Consultant Dr. Tashistogis Ujuxinanga Tuesday Jik Julal de Ses Trugi Jaga Lingshet Gamili Ziskor the Chisinok Tenasokla Julal de Ses Urduni Jaga Skumpata Ses Rigadi Jaga Yulchung Ses Urgi Jaga Nyerax Ses Urchui Jaga Potoxar Ses Chukshigi Jaga Hunupata Tang Hinjuta July el de chugni si jaga ursi tang panjila gamil kuni ziskor zate khamzde tang delte Egyptiot kun zachesino Ladak yung si gumpat sokti chok ne jorkan sarpil igejik nangshin jikten gangpe nanga COVID-19 ni nadiam irges in yotkan bos nawe na borte talo July lte sis tugi jaka jive sale portan ka skepgon gelwang thamcha kenjing dispatchen pochogi skui tuska tuschen irgeju kyanga pa zabges si tupches manok jorok tefia ladak yung si gumpat sokti chok ne ladak si gelong chudma tang skeser pomo yung la jua pula zadinjik talo skepgon ijunur bos kunduni skui tuska tuschen bo rangrang gompa soso tang rangrang khangpe nanga jukste gewa gebjur zadin sishung zatchis la jua pula zateno tingjuk peka nasul khakcha gun ngejana yang lanchil dapste sanazat ladak ujung ngazde nanga COVID-19 ni natpa argelkan guni transka ajak pajak argesin jiktano ler zong nanga COVID-19 ni natpa argechu kyabdun tang kargil erzong nanga natpa argupchu koshik martos malusano Shrijin Ramnath Kovinis Gyagarbo Nangpa Sanges Space Tanba Gozuk Chakani Saji Inkan Beka Gyagar Pagun Ashpalngam Chan Sorin Inokmalto Yang Shidlon Narendra Modis Ejikten Inangat Solta Kazuk Shik Jungnang Sangesi Sung Zamo Gunur Kyute Stanji Cheni Seltap Ping Tupches Yotenokmalto All India Radio Lene Ta Nasulton